another question on the store that is both a question about things as they stand now and things with Windows 10. So especially on Windows Phone, and I'm a Windows Phone user. I'm one of the 3%. I'm worried because I'm seeing some apps disappear from the store. Things like Chase and Bank of America, like very key apps. And I am wondering what you guys think you can do to bring these apps back.
Well, let's take those two. We talk to them pretty regularly. It's a good conversation. Banks are an interesting category where they have a lot of regulatory compliance, and so the notion of keeping an app up where A, it's not have as high volume as others, and B, they know we're going to Windows 10 and there's other options. That's sort of the real conversation there. So the conversations we have, we're not happy when we lose things from the store. I'm a user of both of their banks, but at the same time, the conversation we move to is what's the right model for the go forward. And so our energy right now with all of the developers is what's the go forward. We talk to Bank of America and Chase pretty regularly, and so that's the dialogue, which is I think they see the value, in particular around the website. If you look at banks, they do it. Look, they have these great web experiences. The notion of responsive design, web-based, it just makes sense for them. So the question then is, how do we go forward? How do we bridge between now and then? Sometimes we lose a few, but the goal now is to move them forward and get to Windows 10 and use things they would naturally do anyway.
Yeah, because when people ask me about it, they always say, why doesn't Microsoft just pay them, or they can give them developers to do the apps for them? But it's not really that case that way, right?
No, I mean, look, these are good partners. These are folks we work with pretty regularly. The notion of keeping an app going and putting investment against it when you know you're going to change to a different one, it's a trade-off of resources, which we all make, and we help. Like, we'll provide developer code to developers to help them code the new one. But it's just a logical trade-off that we all make. It's a business decision. And they're still good partners. We're still working with them.
Okay,
and
good to hear.
Have faith we'll get those